Hi guys and welcome to another tutorial. My name is David from Litex and today I will show you how to create a new user account on Windows 11, also how to set it up just in case you'll forget the password so you can still get access to your computer, and also I'll show you some bonuses. So to create a new user account on a Windows 11 operating system, you will have to locate this Windows logo on the bottom corner of your screen. So here are the settings, let's click on it, and now on the left side we have to locate accounts of Microsoft, and let's make it bigger so you can see better. Let's scroll just a little bit down, and right underneath you can find other accounts, device access, work or school users, and on the right side you have an arrow. I will hit that arrow and from here you can add the account, but we didn't finish. We have to press on that. And now our web operating system is asking us to create a new Microsoft account or to sign a person with his Microsoft account. But I will press on I don't have this person sign in information, and will not be forced to create a new Microsoft account, either signing into an existing Microsoft account this way. And what that button did, well, Microsoft is trying again to put us to create a new account, but underneath we'll have another button, add the user without a Microsoft account. That's the secret key without creating one. And now I recommend you to add the name. Let's put test1 and make it secure. Let's enter a password. So I'll put test123, test123. That's not a really secure password, but now the most important thing, don't make sure you set up some security questions, because if you forget a password, you want to make sure you can sign into the computer anymore. So fill up with some answers and choose a question you like. Let me type my information here, but I will blur the screen because I don't want you to see my answers to these questions. And I am done right now. I will press on next, and the user is created right above. You can see that. Let's make sure we can see that. I will right click on the Windows button on the bottom of the screen, and here you can see the user that's login. I will press on that, and I have to choose if I want to sign in into test1 user account that we just created, and if we create one more, I will see the second user right here. And if you want to sign in into a different user, you will just have to click on this username, but I will not do that because my recording will just cut off and I will lose this recording. So if you want to sign in into an account, then the Windows will take you to the login screen, and you will have to log in with the password that you created earlier. From here you can add as many user accounts as you want, and also from here you can give them permission or not. This is test1 user account that we created. Change account type, let's go on that, and we can change it to administrator or the standard, and this is how we can give permissions to any users that we have. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button, and of course leave a question if you have any questions. Have a great day.